Hello guys, welcome to another mathematical lesson, and today we are going to learn about fractions. Don't forget to subscribe and like our page. So the given example today is about expressing a recurring fraction to a mixed number. So the facts you are supposed to know about fractions are, first of all, a fraction is a part of a whole. So for example, when you have a half or a quarter, so a half in full will give you 1. 2 halves is equals to 1. So this is the numerator and this is the denominator. So in a case where the numerator is bigger than the denominator, like for instance this is a half, so this is a proper fraction. So we have a proper fraction. For example, 1/2, 2/4. This is where the numerator is smaller and the denominator is larger. But in a case where the denominator is larger than the numerator, that is improper. Improper fraction. Improper fraction, we have 3/2. We have 5/3. This is where the numerator is bigger than the denominator. In another instance, another type of a fraction, we have the mixed fraction. So for a mixed fraction is where we have a whole number like 1, and then a proper fraction, a whole number 1, and then we have 2 and a third, 2/3. So this is mixed fraction. We have a whole number and a proper fraction. So a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction is a mixed fraction, and that is what this question is expecting us to solve. We express this recurring decimal to a mixed number. So the first step is we can say we let R to represent this recurring decimal to be 5.5555. So when you have a decimal point and a number with a dot, it means this number is repeating itself continuously. So that is why it is 5.55555. So to solve it, the right hand side of the decimal, it's supposed to be the same for us to give us 0, for us to remain with whole numbers. So we can multiply it by 10. When you multiply R by 10, it will give us 55.5555. Once your right hand side, when you subtract, it gives you 0, you can now solve it because you'll remain with the whole number. So when we subtract both sides, so they said it will be 0. What is 5 subtracted to 55? That is negative 50. Is equivalent to, what is 1 minus 10? That is negative 9. So both sides are negative 9R. So now we solve for R. We divide this side by negative 9, this side by negative 9. So 9 and 9 will cancel. We remain with R is equals to, when you divide a negative and a negative, it gives a positive because they will cancel out. So we are going to have 50/9. Remember, this is an improper fraction. So we are supposed to change it to be mixed fraction by simplifying it. How will you simplify it? We will by dividing. What is 50 divided by 9? 9 goes here 5 times because of 45, and then it will remain with 5 to make it 50/9. Hence, this is the answer. So in case of any question, you can ask on the comment section. And thank you for listening, and thank you for following our page. You have a blessed day. Thank you.